Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is literally the bougiest thing I've ever bought in my entire life, I think, maybe? What's up, DIY babes, and happy weekly vlog! It is currently 4th of July, and also happy late Canada Day. Happy currently 4th of July. Honestly, the whole day that I celebrate 4th of July, since I obviously don't really have Canadian friends here to celebrate Canada Day, I feel like there's just like someone in the background being like, she doesn't even go here. But I'm here for the festivities. I'm always down to put on some festive headbands, some festive attire, some glow bracelets, and we're currently at Mia's house right now, and holy crap, this girl went in. She really committed to the 4th of July spirit. Let me give you a tour. There's so many fun things. Also, I'm blonde. If you didn't see last Wednesday's vlog, your girl is A, overexposed, but also Adeline and Matt are here.
I'm being Little Spoon.
I'm Big Spoon.
Great Little Spoon. Great
Gender roles do
we
not
don't know
exist.
them. We don't know them. To make a bougie purchase. How cute are these? I saw Heart wearing them and I DM'd her and I was like, girl, where'd you get those? I need them right now. And now I'm here. I don't know how to be bougie, I'm stressed. Okay, they're cute, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm home. You know what? Guys, like I never do bougie things ever. I've shopped at Forever 21 my entire life. It's honestly, truly my favorite store, like deep down. Moose, yo, Tippy! Tappies. Also guys, this is Moose's favorite chair. If I were to let him just live in this chair at all times, he would do it. Oh my gosh. Mias, what do you think? What do you think? What is? Also, this bag is just like nicer than my entire life. These are definitely the most expensive shoes that I have ever purchased ever, but I feel like I've like kind of turned into a little bit of a sneakerhead almost, kind of a little bit. Definitely like my sneakers and I'm super excited. They're so cute. They fit so well. So shout out to Heart who bought them first and then told me that they were recent when I DM'd her asking her about them. They're a limited edition collection and they don't have a ton of small sizes left. And so they actually had a 5, which was so crazy because I feel like stores never carry a 5. That's like one of the downfalls of having small feet is that 6 is usually the smallest size, and then you have to order them online. Anyways, they had the 5 and I was so excited. It was like it was meant to be. So, oh my gosh, let's do a little unboxing. Does anyone else's dog sit like this, P.S.? Sometimes like he puts his paws on the outsides of his legs too. It's very cute though. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is literally the bougiest thing I've ever bought in my entire life, I think, maybe? Oh god. How do you even know? Okay, no. Oh, it's like one of those drawer ones. Okay, Moose, can you hold the top while I do this? Can you just like put a paw like right here? No, like, yeah, like right there. Yes, no, okay, well, you know what? I can be independent, use my foot. Moose, you're no help whatsoever. Wow, do they wrap them individually? Is this how rich people get shoes? What the heck? Do all their shoes come in little bags by themselves? Wow, this is so nice. What the heck? What the heck? It's so unnecessary. Moose, honestly, you're being no help whatsoever trying to unbox these. Can you at least hold the camera or like hold this side of like the baggie? Okay, you know what? Stand by. Oh, wait, no, we got it. Oh my god, they're so cute. Moose, what do you think? Moose, what do you think? Are they cute? Do you like them? Stick your tongue out if you like them. Oh my god, me too, Moose, me too. I honestly also don't know how to care for shoes that are this nice, so probably gonna have to like Google that and figure that out. Wow, these are so nice. Oh my god, these are the nicest shoes I own, hands down. I'm just gonna put it in its little dust baggie all over again, put it in a box, and probably never wear them because I'm too scared to. Moose, you wanna try it on? Honestly, Moose, this is a good look for you. Oh, Bubba! It was so cute! It was so, oh, but this is also really cute. I love when he does this. I love when you do this. He just like wants to like sit in your lap. It's so cute. Also, there have been some crazy freaking earthquakes in LA lately. I'm for real tomorrow gonna go get some like emergency supplies just to have in the garage just in case, because yesterday's earthquake was like pretty intense. So I'm gonna get like a few gallons of water, some non-perishable food, maybe a flashlight or two. I don't know, it was crazy. I was at the movie theater waiting to see Spider-Man and I honestly felt like I was on like a boat almost. Like our seats were just rocking back and forth so much. It was so scary. I was like, am I having vertigo right now? Like really really intense vertigo. Am I about to die? Is something about to fall from the ceiling? It lasted what felt like for freaking ever. But yeah, gonna go make like an emergency life kit tomorrow, you know, with like dog food, some extra medications and stuff, water, all the things. If you live in California, I encourage you to go do the same. Just make sure that your family and your puppos and your catos and your whatever else your loved ones are in different species have all the necessary things to be okay if there's an earthquake. There's an earthquake! Which, you know the rules, you know what to do when there's an earthquake. Stop, drop, and get under a table, okay? You know the rules? You know the rules? You know the rules? Okay, good. Oh my gosh, guys, this is exactly what I was talking about, okay? Moose, very cute, very cute. His little legs. Also, don't look at his little peen, but like legs on the inside of his outside arms. You're so cute, Moose. I love you so much. Hello, I'm currently at Target preparing for the end of the world, aka getting non-perishable food items and gallons of water to keep in my garage in case we have the earthquake that ends it all and have to live off the land, which I don't think I'll survive very long. I'm kind of fragile. I don't think I'll survive more than a couple days anyways, so I'm gonna get some non-perishable food items, a few gallons of water. I have a ton of blankets, and then maybe like one of those little flashlights where you can crank the arm and it goes. See, I'm already not good at this. The world better not end. Oh my god, everyone had the exact same idea as us. No, it's gone. All the big ones are gone. Things are happening that are not going well. First of all, I don't really seem to know what non-perishable actually means. I also read that you shouldn't buy things that have salt in them, because then if you are limited on your water, then you eat salty things and drink more of your water, and then you're gonna die quicker, and so that's not what I want. And also, I keep buying things that are not for the end of the world and just for me to eat right now. If I'm gonna die, yes, I'd like to die with some chicken broccoli cheesy with potato soup. Non-perishable items. Yes, this is for now. That's for later. This is for doing the reality show at Kian JC's house, just in case the food isn't adequate. Also, yes, doing that, spoiler alert. Yeah, those are for now. LAUR kid, also where it's at. That's for later. That's for maybe half for survival, half for now. The cute basket. Okay, well, that's for my living room. Those are some crazy ripe bananas. Not ripe, not yet ripe bananas. Quest bars. Yes. Yay, surviving. You guys wanted to see more of my boyfriend. This is why he's not in the vlogs, because the frame's not big enough, genuinely. Okay, earthquake haul! And like, honestly guys, I know I'm being like super lighthearted about this and like making jokes about this being the end of the world, but like I genuinely am really nervous. And California obviously has the San Andreas fault line and stuff, and the last few earthquakes have been freaking me the crap out. So better safe than sorry, and I encourage everyone to also, you know, take precautions and make sure your family is okay in the event of something really bad happening. Just fingers crossed that it never does. Also, Moose is eating his dinner right now, so there's just a lot of background noise happening, but let's do a little survival haul. And also, I think I might just order some like water reservoirs maybe on Amazon. That might just be the move, because I feel like everywhere's gonna be sold out. Okay, some of these are for now, some of these are not for now. Okay, so we've got Ritz Crisps and Thin's. Yo, also these are so good. These are for now and not for the earthquake kit, but like these are so good. Okay, so I got these in sweet chili and sour cream, salt and vinegar, and then I needed this basket. Also, look how cute these little pom-poms are for the office, which is coming along swimmingly, and I think I'm gonna be shooting the reveal probably in the next week or so. So I know it's been a forever process, but I promise it's coming. So this is just like for cords and stuff in my office. So this is not for earthquake kits. We've got Cliff bars, LAUR bar kid for me because I'm a child, some beef jerky. I remember I said not to buy salty things, here I am buying the saltiest thing possible. And then this is the little bucket I'm just gonna use in the garage to hold every vlog, Moose. Every vlog without fail. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Fiber One protein bars. Also, I know I just like kind of skimmed over this super quick, and I don't know how much I'm allowed to say because I know I'm gonna be under an NDA, which is basically where you're not allowed to say anything like legally about spoilers and stuff. But I am going over to JC and Kian rental Airbnb tomorrow night to do like YouTube, Big Brother, Real World, or whatever. And I've seen some of the cast already, and it is going to be wild. This is so out of my comfort zone. I don't know how this happened. Well, I do. JC texted me and asked me if I wanted to do it, and I was like, okay. So anyways, that's happening. So I figured I'd bring some snacks just in case, because I'm such a frequent eater and everyone else eats just like 3 meals a day, but I feel like I eat 3 meals a day plus 3 snacks a day. So I'm not an inconvenience. I'm gonna bring some of my own snacks in my suitcase. I also don't know what I'm doing, so there's that. So anyway, these are for tomorrow. And then some canned stuff. Also, like, I don't think I realized that you can just eat canned stuff without warming it up and not getting sick. I mean, I guess there's nothing, like, obviously the chicken in here is already cooked. Creamy chicken and dumpling soup, Chef Boyardee mini raviolis. If I get really hungry one day, these might get eaten prior to an earthquake. Chicken, potato, broccoli, cheese. That sounds bomb. Veggie straws. I think maybe half of these will go in here. Actually, no, maybe just all of these can go in here. They're just so good as like a purse snack because they come in individual wrap baggies. And then these That's It bars that are so good. So I'm gonna take one of these to the real world shooting. I don't know if they have like a working name for it yet, but it's just like in my brain, I'm like, I'm going to do YouTuber real world. Mac and cheese. This is not for the kit. This is for my life. Quest bars. These are for the kit. These are so bomb. I'm gonna like try and forget that I have these so I don't open them up. Another mini ravioli, and then a Cimorelli peanut butter granola bar, granola bites. These are bomb, and also for real life. Oh, there's more. Saltines! I got some salty, again, just like buying more salty things, but I just feel like, you know, carb up. So I've got these for normal life. I just ran out of them, and then a second box for the emergency kit, a muscle roller, and that's not for the kit, that's just for my regular life as well because I'm in a lot of pain from training. Hi guys, and happy Tuesday. Okay, so if you've been on social media already, KnJ revealed the cast or the contestants for their KnJ Real World / The Challenge / Big Brother. I'm obviously not going to give away who's been or is or going to be eliminated or anything like that, but I can show you a little bit of stuff behind the scenes. I literally do not know what I got myself into. I've been trying to push myself outside of my comfort zone, you know, outside of my normal boundaries. This is a lot. This is a lot. So we had a sleepover last night basically with all the YouTubers, and honestly it was so fun. It was such a good time. And today is when the real fun starts. So yeah. What am I doing here? It's honestly such a funny, like random, eclectic mix of people. I would say like I knew like 70% of the people coming into it, but everyone's been so nice and so cool and so much fun. And I feel like I've followed so many people online, like Jen for example, but never have really gotten a chance to hang out with them. And it's been so crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you guys to see this series. It's gonna be so good. I can show you a little bit of the house as well because they've already revealed a lot of this stuff on social media. So, you know, they broke the news, but I can give you a little behind the scenes tour, a tiny bit. The house is seriously so cool though. Oh my gosh, like it's so bomb. It's so bomb. The view is ridiculous. Let me take you to the backyard. Like, are you freaking kidding me? I have no idea which direction we're facing, but it's so nice. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. There's a whole backyard and a huge pool, so many bedrooms. It's so bomb. Okay, stay tuned. I'm like trying to figure out how much I'm allowed to show you guys, but we'll figure it out. Oh my god, okay, I'm home. The KnJ house is over. I can't spoil anything. I can't tell you what happened. I can't tell you if I won. I can't tell you if I lost. I can't tell you anything, obviously, because it's their series and it's a 10-parter series. It's gonna be, I think, 10 weeks. I think they said every Friday of every week a new episode's coming out. Oh wait, I guess yeah, because there's 13 of us. I don't know. Anyways, it was so much fun. Holy crap. And like I asked Kian JC exactly what I'm allowed to tell you guys on the vlog with this coming out on Wednesday, obviously before their first episode. Holy crap, it was so much fun. You guys already saw the picture of the 13 YouTubers who were chosen for it. This was so out of my comfort zone. Having a sleepover and being trapped in a house with like 12 other YouTubers plus KnJ and like 5 cameras rolling at all times, like that kind of seems like my worst nightmare. Like, what could go wrong? Everything could go wrong. That's the answer to that. What's happening up there? Why? Oh god. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower because I'm covered in something from a challenge from earlier. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited for you guys to see this series. They did such a good job. It's so well produced and they put it together on such a whim and such a fly. Like, I think it was maybe 3 days before that JC texted me to be part of this. It's so crazy. They also have the 25 grand there at the house, just like in a box, taunting us and motivating us. That's a better word. That's a more positive way to say it. Motivating us. But it was truly so much fun. I also feel like everyone that I got to hang out with was so freaking nice and so cool. I know I already mentioned this, but so happy that I got to like spend a lot of time with people that I'd never met before because it ended up being really fun and a really good time. I feel like Kristen and I are like pretty much the same person, and we showed up in the same outfit today. We both have fragile stomachs. We both love our dogs a lot. Kristen, if you're watching this, I love you. I'm so glad we got to have a sleepover. We're basically the same person. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm sorry if I was frustrated that I like couldn't tell you guys too much behind the scenes stuff, but obviously I don't want to spoil anything for the actual series when it comes out. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go bathe and then slumber deeply for a long time because VidCon is in 2 days. Oh my god. This week has been truly psychotic. I also have training tomorrow morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I feel like we were all over the place preparing for earthquakes and stuff, and then, you know, trying to win $25,000 in a house full of 13 YouTubers, plus more and cameras and stuff. This has been a crazy week. This is me truly going outside my comfort zone. I will see you guys at VidCon this weekend. If you're gonna be there, let me know in the comments. I have a meet and greet at 1 p.m. Saturday at... Not entirely sure where my booth is at, but it's in the convention hall, obviously, where all the other merch booths are. So from 1 until 2:30, I will be there to hang out with you guys and maybe sign some merch, whatever you guys want, take selfies. I'll be there. I'm super excited to meet a bunch of you guys, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY. Oh my god, the Cimorelli collab is coming out this Saturday. Okay, I won't see you Sunday for a Sunday DIY. I will see you Saturday for a Cimorelli collab, and then on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
What's the royalty-free thing they put on for the Wednesdays?
Dun dun dun. No wait, the merch one. Dun 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 dun.
Yeah, that one.
Dun, dun.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know